So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Government Exam Revision Series, we have here just this question to answer on the topic Civil Service. So in short to state here at the end of this video, let's go ahead and consider the question here. It says, the idea of making the civil service permanent, neutral and anonymous is to A. Ensure loyalty and support, B. Prevent opposition to government, C. Enhance efficiency in administration, D. Make civil servants a functional elite. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, to enhance efficiency in administration. So that's it for this question guys, and this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.